match. Gates open, they're up and racing. Love Minstrel draws for your lead. Hammer it home, I will survive. Then running on the outside for A. Aras by the rail, JST. Magleb running in between runners. The next in line is King Aljuned. Federer is moving up on the outside, catching second last as they head towards the last 800. Love Minstrel in command by Haplank. Then pressing upon the outside is for A. Aras. Then racing in third by the rail, JST. Magleb now catching the fourth spot as they race towards the last 450. Aras running on the outside. Love Minstrel is by the rail. JST is racing in third. Magleb moving up on the outside. Hammer it home as they race at the final corner. We have Aras running on the outside at the center. Love Minstrel, JST, Magleb down on the inside. With the last 100 meters more to run. Aras, JST moving up down on the inside. Love Minstrel in between runners and leading the finish line, JST. And finally, JST close with Aras, Love Minstrel, Magleb. Then comes Hammer it home. Number 7, Federer. I will